welcome to the Power BI world. Let's start studying the lessons step by step. Imagine that you have a big box of numbers. Your test scores, attendance, how many books you write, maybe even how many goals your team scored in sports. Power BI is a computer tool that turns those numbers into pictures so they are easy to understand. What Power BI does, it takes data, numbers in a table like in Excel or CSV or any other type of format. It makes colorful charts and graphs, bars, visual bars, lines, and pie charts. Then it puts them together on one screen called a dashboard, like a control panel. So now we come to an example. Think of your maths marks for the whole year. Without Power BI, it's just a list of numbers in a table, right? With Power BI, you see a bar chart showing which exams you did better in, a line graph that shows if you are improving over time, or maybe a pie chart showing how much is studied different subjects. So in this visualization, you will see how it has shown here, depicting here, right? So Power BI formats this bar chart instantly out of simple spreadsheet tables. Rather than seeing just a spreadsheet table with just numbers, this is marvelous, right? And you can see the trends as well. In seconds, you can answer following questions like, am I improving maths classes? Right? Which subject needs more practice? Which day I read the most books? How is my term wise class attendance? Did my team score more monthly goals? Which assessment was my personal best? So now, why is Power BI useful? Pictures beat spreadsheets. Pictures are easier than long tables of numbers, which have spot patterns. Easily spot metrics shoot upward or downward over time. It lets you share those pictures with others like your teacher or parents or your friends, instant sharing, right? So in a nutshell, Power BI is it's like a smart art tool for your numbers. To sum it up, step 1, numbers go in. Step 2, magic happens. This is where the magic happens in this box, right? Finally, it comes, charts comes out in step 3. So now, this is a quiz time. What does Power BI turns numbers into? What does Power BI do to the numbers? Beautiful, colorful charts and clear interactive pictures will transform with the Power BI. What is a dashboard in Power BI? What is meant by a dashboard in Power BI? Your custom metrics that visualization summarize in one screen, in one monitor that you can see everything summed up. That is a dashboard. Name one popular type of chart Power BI can make. What kind of popular charts that make in the Power BI? There are several answers, right? Bar charts, line trend graphs, or proportional pie charts. The pie charts we say, right? This, right? Yeah, this, no? Yeah. Okay, then thank you all. We will come back again with deeper lessons. Thank you, team.